Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Look at his ear, Mommy. It was already been. Oh, yeah.
Mackenzie. What the muscles?
You got some muscles.
What do you think?
Oh, can you go like this?
Mackenzie, Lane. Are you trying to boop? Are you trying to boop?
Mommy, is Camden asleep?
No.
What?
No.
Okay, because I wanted to shoot this one time before I put it away.
Okay, go ahead. Whoa.
Does that scare you?
What fun stuff.
Mommy's trying to. Are these dirty?
I whipped up milk with that thing.
Yeah, the jacket didn't get used, but the other two.
Hi, Bubba. What are you doing? What are you doing? You can tell me a story. What are you doing?
Yes, I will.
What are you doing, Bubba? What are you doing? You're so cute.
Oh my gosh. He's got not much hair on the top, but when you get to the back,
He's got a lot of hair, and he's so cute. Oh, I love that face. Look at him. You're so cute, aren't you? Aren't you, baby? You're so adorable. Oh,
wow.
Bert. Good boy. He's squeezing my finger. So cute. Oh,
Bless you.
bless you. Are you pooping? Are you pooping? Look at the way he's crossing his eyes.